Hey everyone, Shaunus here. Welcome to this video. In this training series, we're going to talk about Clickbank and how you can use it to earn commissions online. Alright, so what I'm going to do in this whole training series is I'm going to go over Clickbank step by step, show you everything there is to know about it and how you can use it to make commissions online. Alright, so let's get started. So first thing I'm going to go over is just explain what is Clickbank, because there's a lot of misunderstandings about Clickbank, because many people think that Clickbank is a system, but it's not. Clickbank is basically a affiliate network where you find products to promote. As you see, I'm already in my account and I'm already just going over the marketplace. This is where you find your products. If you just click on a marketplace, you're going to be able to find different products from different categories. So you can just click on them. For example, this section, affiliate marketing, and you can choose a product and then click on promote. And let me just hide this, and you can get your affiliate link. Okay, that easy. Now, this is the Clickbank. Okay, so there's a lot of things to learn. First of all, you need to learn how you can what kind of traffic sources you need to send to Clickbank offers, because in every offer there's different kind of traffic source that you should use. Also, you need to understand that how to actually build a business, because it's not just about sending traffic to your Clickbank offers. Alright, so there's a lot of things to learn, and this is what we're going to talk about in this whole step-by-step training series. Now, before we go over traffic, I'm gonna talk about a couple of stuff. There's a lot of downsides when it comes to Clickbank. The first one is Clickbank has a lot of refunds. So basically, there's a high chance that if you make a sale, you're going to lose that money, because a lot of products on Clickbank are low quality products. So people tend to refund them when they don't see the value in the product. So that's really important to find the right product to promote on Clickbank. Alright, so that's what I'm going to show you right now. Let's go over this whole thing. I'm just going to give you a couple of things about choosing the product. This is the first video. We're going to talk about choosing your products. Okay, I'm going to show you how to choose the right product on Clickbank. So the first thing you want to pay attention when it comes to choosing the product to promote is check the gravity. Okay, so if the gravity is less than 10, 20, let's say 20, okay, you don't want to promote it. So it's really important to choose the product with right gravity. And gravity is basically it shows how often people are promoting it. For example, this one, CB, it's called CB passive income. It's 120 gravity. This means that a lot of people are promoting this product, and that shows it's a good product, obviously, right? But also it shows that if you want to make a sale, you're gonna have a lot of competition to make these sales, because, well, obviously many other affiliate marketers are promoting it. Next thing you want to check is the initial sale. Okay, so this means that on the first sale you're going to make $23.55. Okay, an average percent per sale, that's the Revels, and then the Revels total, meaning that future payments, how often people are paying for future payments. And yeah, so this one has a really low initial sale cost. Initial sale commission. $23 is really nothing, and that's something else I'm going to talk about right now. As this one, $55, $60. So yeah, let's talk about commissions. All right, so there's another downside beside refunds on Clickbank, and that is low commissions. Okay, let's say if you want to really make money online and make a difference in your life, I mean change something in your life, you need big commissions. Okay, that's why I actually make money from Clickbank, but I don't really work too much on it, and I don't make a lot of money from it. It's like maybe $1,000 a week. Okay, it's not really a lot because I don't really focus on it, and the reason for that is these low commissions. Okay, I mean, imagine how much you have to work to make these small commissions. It's really hard. It's not that easy. Okay, it's not a one-click money-making system or something like that. you have to work. And imagine your goal is to make $10,000 a month. How many $25 commissions you have to make to reach that $10,000 month goal? That's 400 sales. Okay, now that's 400 sales if you are not considering your refunds, you know, how much money you're gonna lose. So yeah, it's really hard. Now imagine you make $1,000 per sale. Obviously that's gonna change things, right? Because suddenly you're making big commissions and your refund is almost zero. So keep that in mind. Bigger commissions are better. I mean, I make money from high ticket affiliate programs. These are affiliate programs that allow you to make big commissions up to $9,000 per sale. I actually have a link under this video. You can check it out for yourself. But yeah, so you get the idea. It's really important to focus on the right place, because if your goal is to make maybe $100 extra a month, $200 extra, I mean, yeah, it's possible to make hundreds of thousands of dollars from Clickbank. I'm not saying it's impossible, but if you're just starting, it's not going to be that much money. Okay, so again, if you are starting, I suggest you to focus on a high ticket affiliate program instead of Clickbank. Okay, I usually promote Clickbank products if there is something good. I mean, if one of my friends launched a product in there, I promote it. Or if there's something cool, that's something that I find it useful, you know, not so often. So you get the idea. So low commissions and high refund amounts are something that you really should be careful on Clickbank. Now this is the next number you want to pay attention. That's average sale. Okay, this is a really good one because this pays you $235 on average. Now this is not the money you're gonna make. So okay, this is the money, right? This is $52 on per sale. This is the money that you're going to make on average. So $230, that's really good. $93, that's another one. This is a good one. I actually haven't been promoting this because I'm really not a fan of these people. For some reason I don't like him, but yeah, you get the idea. So they pay $561. That's on average, not the first sale. Okay, initial sale is going to cost you $60. So yeah, you get the idea, guys. This is how you choose your products. Make sure it has the right amount of gravity. This is 120. This is too much, and make sure you have to find out how much you're getting paid, and then how much you're getting paid on average. Okay, now next thing you do is you click on promote, and this is not giving me the link. All right, anyways, you click on promote, and you that's your account nickname. It's going to be filled out already. That's tracking ID. I totally suggest you to use it because you're pretty sure you're going to use different traffic sources, and you want to make sure to track where are your sales are coming from. For example, if you're generating the link to put it on YouTube, you're gonna have YouTube. Oh, okay, YouTube, and you're gonna click on create and copy the link. Obviously, you gotta use shortened link services to hide this long affiliate link because it's kind of weird to have this kind of long affiliate link in there. But you get the idea. So if someone purchases this product from this link, I'm gonna be able to track that this person came from YouTube. So it's good to know, so you can scale and understand what traffic source is working, what traffic source is not working. Okay, so that's the first video for Clickbank. Guys, again, let me talk about high ticket affiliate programs. High ticket affiliate programs are affiliate programs that allow you to make big commissions. Now, there's a problem with Clickbank. Another thing is that many people are going to be confused because Clickbank is just an affiliate network. There's no one there to teach you how to get traffic, how to get traffic from different sources. So you pretty much have to figure out everything by yourself. I mean, again, in next video, we're going to talk about traffic sources and how you can get actual traffic to send it to your Clickbank offers. But if you're new to affiliate marketing, if you need a coach, you need to join a high ticket affiliate program. The good thing about high ticket affiliate programs is that you're gonna have a coach. So as the moment you join, you're gonna have a coach. They're gonna call you. They're gonna talk to you. They're gonna teach you and take you step by step and teach you everything there is to know. And also there is a lot of training. I mean, in Clickbank, all you get is just the affiliate network and platform, right? But in a high-ticket affiliate program, you're going to actually have trainings on the back end. So you have a coach and training to teach you exactly what to do to get traffic, make sales. It's all explained click by click, step by step. So again, if you want to make big commissions, high-ticket affiliate programs are the place to go. And if you want to keep going with Clickbank, I suggest you to watch the next video. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have a link under this video if after I post it. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave a comment, like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in the next video.